and welcome again to our channel. Today I would like to share with you 13 things that you can use in your home more than once. We usually have these things in our home and sometimes we use it only for one purpose. Today I would like to share with you that you can use some of those things more than once in your home decor. One of the first uses of trays was to serve your guests water, dessert, or fruits, or anything that you wanted to bring them from your kitchen. Today we find trays to be used also for decoration. Store decor on a table. You can use it as a centerpiece on your table also to put fruits sideways, or you can turn it upside down as I did in this tray. The next one is cutting boards. Cutting boards used to be just to cut your vegetables, your fruits, your meat. Nowadays, you can also use it as a tray, and you can put different types of decor on your counters, on your tables, to put many cutting boards together in your kitchen as a decor, or to display food. The next one is bins. Bins, you use them like I do here to store books or anything under a table. Here I am in my daughter's closet, and I had this bin, the one that we use, as I told you before, to put books on top, inside, or toys to store, to have them in one place. And I decided to bring this in my girl's closet. Look how it will become more even cool, and you can do it if you have bins like that in your home. I turn it sideways like this. There's a way so you can put the big drawing things that they have so they will not fall all the time. And you can store your kids' toys like this, like a shelf. And if you need more space or you have more bins, you can put this one on top of the other, and immediately you have bins and shelves in your closet, and you can use it in your closet, in your kids' closet, or any closet. Isn't this amazing? I love it. I really loved it. Or you can use just one, and you can put bigger games that they don't fit and store them like that on the top. Now I'm gonna share with you a few more things that it's related with moms, and I know many moms have a lot of papers and drawings of their kids, and sometimes we don't know what to do with them. And one day I had this idea, and I would like to share it with you, to put it inside of our closets. I try to keep the ones that are more beautiful and I think it's good to treasure, and I put them inside of my kids' closet, and actually some of them I keep them inside of my closet in this way. I just put some tape and I hold them like that. They used to have them to open candles. I'm gonna open a candle. The best part of having matches in your bathroom. When you let a match burn, it dissolves any smell. It helps very much. I really hope you try it and have it in your bathroom. The next one is pots. Pots for flowers. You can use them, of course, to put your flowers, any type of flower you like, inside of them and have the normal use. But you can also flip them like that, and you can use them to raise your flowers or to raise a candle. Cake stands, of course, you can use them, and this is why they make them, to display your cakes and your desserts, to be pretty. You can also use them to put your fruits inside, or you can use them to raise stuff in your house. The next one is calendars. Those ones have very pretty images. This one for my Christmas display. I really like this picture, and that is why I use it part of my decor, even though it's from 2017. You can actually frame them and put them as part of your home decor, or you can still have them like I do. I keep it like that even though it's past. During the seasons, you can change it and use it as part of your decor. Towels, bathroom towels, kitchen towels, napkins for the table. I actually use this one in my Christmas decor in the bathroom. You can also use them as tablecloths in spaces in your decor. They just don't have to be just towels for you to dry your hands. They are very nice for home decor too. The next one is those beautiful fur rugs. Those rugs are wonderful on the floor, of course, but you can also use them on top of your couch to make it cozy, or you can use them on a chair to make it also very cozy. Blankets, we usually use them to cuddle and to keep us warm, and especially when they're soft, they're marvelous. You can also use blankets to cover a couch, or you can use them to put them on top of a chair, or you can use them to cover things like I did with my piano. The next one is tablecloths. This one is a tablecloth, and I found it, I loved it. You can use it for your table, of course, that's the first use out of it. But the next use you can have is to put it as a curtain. I used this tablecloth, I sew it together, 2 pieces together, and I use it as a curtain to display in my girls' room because it matches the colors of their room. And it's a great way to, I will not keep it this way, maybe next year I'll take it apart and use it in many other ways. There are many ways that you can use tablecloths, so this is one of them. The next one is shower curtain and curtains in general. I will show you the 2 possibilities that you can have with those. This is actually one of my bath curtains. Shower curtains that I have from Bed Bath & Beyond, but many of times I've used it also to display it here in my door as a way to make the room more cozy and cute. So yeah, this is a great way to use any type of curtain on your doors to display. This is another idea for the curtains, is to use, this is a real curtain. You can use it like this on top of the other, but you can also make it like this. This is the same curtain. I just made this shape of it and I put it on top of the windows. So this is another way of using your curtains to give them different shapes. If you're like me and you love candles and you burn them, this is me, I end up with those jars. So I will show you what you can do with them. If you make jello, you can put them in there. Those 2 red ones were great for my girls. They really loved the small size and they were red, so it was very Christmassy, and I kept them to put them water there to drink. This one is to hold shelves. You put 2 of them on the wall and you have your shelf. This is the use out of it. But I will show you what else you can do with this one. So I took this one from IKEA, I painted it white and pink to match my wall, and then I hang my lantern from there. If the handle is too thick and it cannot go through that little hole, then I put a string and I could still hang it this way. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope I gave you some new ideas that will help you in your home decor. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a comment down below what you liked the most. And like it and subscribe, of course, if you want to see more of our videos. Keep safe and see you again. Bye! Use them to open candles. Oh! When you finally open it,